What's blooming in December? An update from our Zone 9B food forest in Northeast Florida. We are going to start doing monthly videos about what's blooming in our food forest here in Zone 9B, Northeast Florida, and what's producing. Because as we move on with the Density Teardrop family farm and hopefully soon expand so that we can invite all of you into our food forest, we need to know when things bloom, when things bear fruit, so that we can have pollinator plants blooming at the same time, pulling in more pollinators, getting more production, but also so that we can, one, find out what plants produce best in our growing zone, in our area. Maybe something bloomed and set fruit too early. If we get a January frost, if we get a February freeze. So it's very important for us. We've been keeping track of this in a little calendar, but we're going to start updating with these videos so that all of you can learn something from it too, hopefully. Maybe some of you out there are having the same questions we are about what varieties of blueberries, plums, apples, etc. are best for your growing area. So come on in, let's see what's growing in the food forest here in Northeast Florida, Zone 9B. We have two plum trees that are currently flowering. This is our red plum tree 1, and we have a red plum tree 2. We bought them at the same time from the St. Augustine Farmers Market, and last year this one was our best producer, so it's going to be interesting to see how we'll do this year. We've added another plum tree to our collection this year. This is a Methley plum, and then we have this Santa Rosa plum that it was actually one of our first fruit trees ever. But don't ask me what they taste like, because every year the squirrels get them before us. So we're going to come up with a solution. And this one, the Santa Rosa plum, has never really produced a lot for us. This year it looks better than ever. So we're hoping, and now that we have 1, 2, 3, 4 plum varieties, we hope it'll help with pollination so we can get some more fruit out of it. Otherwise, we might have to give room for another variety. The Florida firecracker is blooming. Should I say still blooming? The hummingbirds love this one, and we love it because it blooms almost year round. The porterweed is blooming. African blue basil. Look at these pretty little flowers. It smells delicious. Blue plumbago. And the Teardrop hibiscus is blooming everywhere. And it looks like it has a lot more little buds coming too. Red salvia. We don't know the variety of this one. Christmas berry, also called Florida goji. It's a native plant. I believe it is called Lycium carolinianum. They have these pretty little purple blooms. The Florida Firespike is growing strong. Look at it. It is tiny, but it's there. Everbearing mulberry. This one is both fruiting and blooming in December. My sweet potatoes are flowering. So pretty. Biden's alba everywhere. The cranberry hibiscus is still blooming. such a stunning color. Check out our video how to grow and propagate cranberry biscuits if you want to know more about this one. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a like and subscribe, and make sure to come back next month to see what's blooming in the food forest in January. Thank you for watching, and thank you for making the world a little greener.